going to be a very successful day because there's lots of different stalls and like themes, and I think everybody will make a good profit.
We are the Carnival Coves. We chose that because this is a carnival theme. We have slushies, we have caramel popcorn,
We have a chocolate fountain.
We just have everything.
So we have it all, and
The fun never ends.
This is why you should come to us.
We were selling slime and alien spray, but that's sold out in the first round. But now we're selling bracelet kits, sweet packets, and brownies.
We sell flapjacks and we do a guessing game. For flapjacks, you can get with maple syrup or chocolate sauce. If you want to come by, the raffle is 10 Rand. You win the jar of sweets if you guess correct or if you're the closest to get it.
I'm selling scrunchies, earrings. It's a variety. I also have like some ice lollies, some bread. It's a lot.
Our store's basically about earthly essence. It's about the earth and being aware.
She knows kid stuff. Yeah. I know the grade 3s and people, and she's very good with money.
Yes, I'm a bit organized. I think we are a very good group in general, and we have a lot to offer.
You need to be careful with the money. It's not easy running a business.
It's hard to get sell everything and get customers to come to your store if you don't know who they are and if you aren't that social.
Always come with more than enough stock of the popular items.
It's really hard, and we should work together a lot, and we should clean up because we don't want our messy station.
I get nervous when it comes to selling things, so this is helping me get out of my comfort zone.
Selling things on your own and becoming an entrepreneur is a lot of work.
And I think it's such a vibe. I think it's really going well, and I think everyone's enjoying it.